Welcome to Perlis, where big adventures come in small packages. Nestled between Thailand to the north and Kedah to the south, Perlis may be Malaysia's smallest state, but it is a haven for those craving an escape from city life. Here are 4 experiences in Perlis, from sunrise to sunset, you simply cannot miss. Perched 304 meters above sea level and just 4.3 kilometers away from Thailand, Calan Viewpoint is a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Start your day early at this perfect vantage point just in time for a breathtaking sunrise over Perlis' stunning landscape. Don't forget to snap those photos! A geological wonder of Perlis, Gua Wang Burma is the ultimate playground for thrill seekers. Beginning with an easy hike towards the cave entrance, the real adventure begins inside, where you'll be crawling through intricate dark passages, wet and dry, and even abseiling. The Limestone Cave, dating back millions of years, is home to unique rock formations like stalactites and stalagmites and deposits of mineral-rich water. Let's not forget the cave's exotic species like giant toads and, brace yourselves, a colony of bats. After a day of exploring, head on over to Rimba Herba Perlis, a botanical haven with more than 700 species of plants. The sanctuary reveals the various medicinal benefits of each plant, some native to Perlis, others found across Malaysia. And here's a bonus. If you're feeling tired from all that walking around, treat yourself to a soothing and indulgent oil foot massage here. Before calling it a day, why not chase the sunset by going on an ATV ride through Bintong's lush green paddy fields? With an experienced guide leading the way, rev up your engines and weave through the picturesque paddy fields of rural Kanga amidst the backdrop of the limestone formations. And those were 4 experiences in Perlis you shouldn't miss. To learn more, check out the full article by logging on to FMT and following us here.